Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is just going to be a continuation of our discussion on domain and range. It will be rather concise. I just want to go over a few things that I might have missed. Specifically the idea that we think of a function as being a machine that takes as an input the value x and results in the output y. For example, if y equals x plus 3, that means that f of x is a machine that adds 3 to the input. In a similar manner, if we have that y equals 5x minus 6, f of x is a machine that multiplies 5 to x and then subtracts 6 from it. So it is important to think about f of x as a machine. A property of functions, and really a requirement as a definition of a function, is that each output value must be assigned a unique input value. Each output gets a unique input. Let's make a table, just 2 columns. And if we take the function, let's say we take the function x plus 1. We'll say y equals x plus 1. That just means that f of x is a machine that adds 1 to the input. F of x adds 1 to the input. So we just go over here, right here, and we just add 1 to each of those and write the result in the associated row. Right, so this is no big deal. On a graph, you can see that when we have -1, the value is 0. When we have 0, the value is 1. And when x is 1, our output is 2. This results in a line for this particular function. But we can also see that according to our definition here about each output getting a unique input, that means the outputs don't have to share an input. And I'll draw a picture about what that means here in a second. That means it is a function. So this is indeed a function because every y value has a unique x value. And so we can draw a little schematic here to think about this. This is how many textbooks show this. And so D is for domain and R is for range. Remember, these are the available x values such that the function is defined, and then these are the resulting output values from those inputs in the domain. And so let's say I'm trying to figure out how to do this here. Yeah, I'll just call this like alpha, beta, gamma, epsilon. Okay. And what we'll do is with our definition of the function, we'll come up with what's f of alpha, f of beta, and f of gamma, f of epsilon, right? So basically what this is saying is that this function, this machine, is mapping each of these to its corresponding input. Now, what we don't have is two outputs sharing the same input, right? We don't have this situation happening where they're both sharing one of these, because then it wouldn't be unique anymore. And so I just wanted to kind of make those points clear as a continuation from the last video about domain and range. And if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. Remember, as always, if you liked this, please subscribe to my channel for more mathematics and engineering content. And leave a comment if there's anything that you would like me to do or anything that you need to see. I'll be updating this channel regularly. So just let me know what I can do to help you guys. That's what I'm here for. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.